One thing that 25 years of existence has taught me is that it's very important to know yourself. It's very important to find answers on your own. Uh, because if you don't do that, you will end up adapting society's version of success, life, happiness, and relationships, goals, hobbies, and everything. So, what I mean by that is, let's say, when I was in my teenage, I'll tell you, my only dream was to get married and marry a rich husband because that's what the entire generation of women have done in my family. And I was like, okay, this is the only goal. But in my 20s, I went out. I started joining internships and programs, and I met amazing women who were independent and who were doing something that was great. Like, I used to think, oh my god, that's so cool, because they were buying cars on their own, they were paying their own bills. When we used to have coffee, they were the ones who were paying the bill for the entire table, which was new for me. When I came home, I asked my family, I asked my mother and my sister, and I was like, these are the women that I met, and they were like, yeah, because they have uh, the privilege, and they have open-minded families. They must have had amazing parents who supported them in their dreams. And when I talked to them, the story was opposite. Most of the women that I have met in my life, they have whatever they have created, they have done that on their own. Nobody was there to support them. In fact, everybody was against them at the starting. So yeah, I started exploring further. I started seeing solo travelers on YouTube, because I love traveling, and which was again very new for me. So for the first 5 years, I think, of my life, all I have done is explored. All I have done is talk to amazing women, and I've been very lucky as well that I met women who are thriving in their life, in not just in career or in relationships, but when it comes to self love thing, like, you look at them and you think, this is something that I want to become when I grow up. So that was possible for me because I allowed it to happen. I did not let my family's perception of privileged women get into my head. So yeah, how I got to know myself is through journaling. I've been journaling for last 2 years, and it has not just given me clarity on what kind of future do I want. It has given me what kind of person I am today, what kind of person I was yesterday, and what kind of person I want to be tomorrow. So nothing in life is external. This is what I feel. Everything is internal. My point is that it's very important to make your own definitions. It's very important to have your own opinions in your 20s when you are young. It's very important to just know yourself, find a ground, and that ground should be so solid that nobody can shake your foundation. I can say that I'm one of those women, those privileged women. Like, everybody looks at me and they say, oh, your parents must be very supporting, but they are not. Let's be clear, my family is not very supportive of my anything that I do. But it has not become a problem for me. I have seen so many people, not just women but men as well, who give up on their dreams, and just because their families don't allow, just because their families don't approve, just because they think, so what is people think of me? In that concept I'm talking about it. Please know yourself. This is the best thing that you can do to yourself. You can know yourself through any source in the world. You can travel alone, you can journal, you can make content, you can join any hobby. So yeah, that's the best gift that you can give to yourself. Just know yourself. Get out of there, get out of your house, get out of your family, and keep an open mind. Talk to different people, talk to amazing people, talk to the people who are doing the things that you have never seen people around you doing, and either in your family or in your society. Talk to them, what goes on in their head, and maybe it will give you some opinion, maybe it will give you some perspective on life, because it has really helped for me. Also, what really has helped me is movies and books, uh, and journaling, as I said, solo dates, solo trips, going to social events alone, hosting events on my own, making content, failing at content twice, and yeah, just work on yourself, please, because this world is very very cruel. Because this world is very cruel, and you will have two choices in your life, especially when you are an adult, that either you let the world tell you what to do, or you pave your own path. To get to the second one, you have to know yourself, you have to choose your own battles, and I think that's where the concept of learning about yourself, treating yourself like you treat other people, the ones that you really love and you're curious about them, like what do they love, when is their mood so high or low, and everything, like what are their dreams, what are their aspirations and ambitions. So that's the whole point of the video. Know yourself, spend time with yourself, and you'll be very very grateful.